This
Don't worry.
conference will now be recorded.
What do you mean by testing, guys?
Testing means finding default defect.
Mm-hmm.
So another word of testing is testing is a part of the software development process, which is also testing is the activity to detect and identify the any defect in a software.
Mm-hmm. Right. Right.
So the pretty much in one word, if somebody asks at the interview like what is testing, so testing is a part of the software development to identify the defect.
Very good. Very good. Very good. So, can anybody tell me what do you mean by test case? Test case means what?
You find out the defect or default, and then you write notes about it and submit to your test lead, maybe.
To find the defects is testing. I'm asking you test case. What do you mean by test case? You're almost there, but it's not clear. Zahid.
So actually the test case is like something how to test and describe that step that we're going to take to like what is accepted and a result and what is the actual result supposed to be. Like the another word, if interviewer asks me what is a test case, so the test case is to test the software
It's an
and
idea, right?
compare between accepted result and actual result.
Mm. You have to see. You have to tell clear. Like test case means it's an idea of a tester how we are going to test the application, right? So these are the ideas we have written, right? It's idea of a tester how we are going to test the application. Got it?
Yeah,
So
I got that. Yeah.
now basically two types of test cases: GUI and functional. What do you mean by GUI, guys?
User acceptance.
Graphical user
I
interface.
mean,
Very,
yeah, okay, you
very
mean,
good,
right? Yeah.
very good,
Yeah,
Zahid.
graphical user interface.
Yes, yes.
That's
without
what Bill
So
Gates.
performing any action.
Yeah, Bill Gates created that.
without,
Without performing any action.
yeah. So without performing any actions on the application, just by viewing, looking at the application and testing is
Right.
done. So then functional. What do you mean by functional?
To see if it's working or not.
And
It's doing what it.
performing some action.
Very good, everyone. By performing some actions on the application, right? So we already done yesterday. We already done this GUI, right? So how we tested GUI, guys? How we tested GUI?
Just by viewing it, like just by observing it, like clicking the field.
Yeah, sorry guys. So we are already done with GUI, right? So GUI means what? Without performing any actions, we are supposed to test like that, right? So without performing actions, how we done? Check the availability, consistency, spelling mistake, alignment, tab order, right? Cursor,
Sorry,
focus.
chef.
Yeah,
Before you move further, I just want to clear something. You saying GUI or is called GUI or is called GUI? So in the IT language, what they call GUI or GUI?
see, you can call anything like, first of all, you need to understand the abbreviation. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface.
True. So we're gonna call the one abbreviation is called GUI, right? It's not GUI. It's called GUI, right?
See, actually,
You could use both way. GUI, GUI. It means the same thing.
actually GUI only. To understand you better, I just did like that GUI, like the GUI test cases, graphical user interface test cases. GUI stands for graphical user interface, like that. So usually we can pronounce it as a GUI, GUI only. Okay,
Okay, clear.
right. Next. So let me open the document. We are done with the login, right or not, guys? We are done with login. Let's see here. So after the login, what is the next update, guys? Agent name. Okay. So agent name, can we able to perform any actions on agent name? Can we able to perform any actions on agent name? Anybody? In agent name, can we able to perform any actions or no?
You move your cursor and start typing. That's how you can next do some action.
Yes, yes, of course. We are typing, we are entering data, right? So, right. Let's see here. See, function means how we are going to do means by entering valid data and testing is done, right? Okay, by entering valid data, that is positive, right? So, and by entering invalid data and testing is, like you can see. So functional test case means what? By performing some actions on the application and testing is done. Okay. So by entering valid data and testing, that is positive, and by entering invalid data and testing is done, that is negative. Okay, right. And without entering any data and testing is done. So it may be positive or negative, positive or negative, depending upon the requirement. Got it? Right. Right. See how we are supposed to test means. Let's see here how we are. I'm going to write. positive way first of all, right? Means what? By entering valid data, right? So right, yesterday we done with this GUI, right? Next functional test cases we have to write. So test case serial number should be continuous, guys. 8, 9, 10, like that. So how you can able to write the test case ID? Anybody?
I can do this.
Oh, okay. First one I need to explain you. So first one I need to explain. So first of all, can you please tell me how we can able to write it?
So FT
Okay,
instead of TC, FT.
TC, test the case underscore. It's a second object, right or not? Okay. So it's a second object. Under the second object, we are going to write the first test case. TC underscore 2.1 underscore agent. So right now we are doing positive, okay? Right? So let's see here. Next. See, enter valid data in agent name field, right? Click on tab order and click on cancel button and click on help button and click on OK button, right? So here we need to check everything. When you're trying to enter valid data in agent name field, we are going to check everything like what's going on. When you click on tab order, what happened? Cancel button, help button, OK button, what happened like that. Got it? Okay, this is good. So individually we have to write for tab order what happened. Okay, and for cancel button what happened, and for OK button what happened, and for help button what happened like that. Okay, so individually you have to write. You already go through the FRS document, guys, right? So can you please tell me? Okay, so you already go through the FRS document. Can you please tell me what happened with the? What happened with the tab order? You know already tab should follow according to the fields, right? See, for tab order, right? Right? You can see here for tab order what happened. Okay, for tab order what happened? You know already once we click the tab order, tab should follow according to the fields, right? If you're trying to enter valid data in agent name field, when you click tab order, what happened? You should move on to the next field, right or not? So tab order, mouse pointer cursor should blink on next field, right? So next for cancel button, what happened? For cancel button, what happened?
I think it should reverse all action or close the window.
Hmm? Yes, close the window. It's clearly mentioned. Whatever the data you enter, once you click the cancel button, what happened?
Close the window.
Application should get close. Application.
See, we don't have a functional document. That's why we don't know exact word you want to hear, because we don't have a functional document with us.
See, the FRS document is there, but it's not complete FRS document. Okay, if it is complete FRS document consists of all the error messages, even we don't assume anything. What kind of error message it is going to come, everything it is displaying. Okay, what kind of error message is there, everything
Hello?
it is. Yeah, hi.
Yeah, this is Cam. I was
Hello. Hello. I can't.
waiting for you guys to the other side. I don't know that they changed the
Yeah, the link is expired actually. Did they send another link, right? Okay. Even we are not
yeah, he
sure after.
just yeah, he just
after
did. Yeah, he just changed the link.
let's see here. We are writing the functional test cases, Nick. Okay. So how we are writing functional test cases? See. So we are writing. Functional means what? Entering valid data in valid data blank, right? So right now we are entering valid data in agent name field. Click on tab order. What happened? So tab, it's clearly mentioned, right? Whatever the data you enter, once you click the tab order, it should fall according to the fields, right? Mouse pointer cursor should blink on next field. That is only we done. Next, cancel button. In cancel button, it's clearly mentioned that whatever the data you enter, once you click the cancel button, what happened? It should get close, right or not? It should get close, right? It should get close. No. Right. So for cancel button, you should get close. You have to write the same thing. We did. Right. After that, what is the help button? It's clearly mentioned. Please read this one and tell me what happened with the help button.
As soon as you hit help, another pop-up window comes up.
Yeah. Pop-up window comes up like, what is the message? Pop-up message should display like the password is Mercury, like that, right? So you have to write whatever the data, it's clearly mentioned, right? Whether you are enter valid data or invalid data, don't bother. Okay. So let's see here. So for help button, pop-up message should password is Mercury. Got it? Pop-up message should display like pop-up is Mercury. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Got it? So it's clearly mentioned whatever the data you enter once you click the help button, pop-up message should display like password is Mercury. So what happened with the OK button? What happened with the okay? Okay. For OK button, what happened, guys? Can you please tell me, anybody?
Once you click the OK button, is should submit your request. Whatever you type it in, it should work.
See, we are not enter anything in the password. We are just enter valid data in agent name field only. Why? Because I am testing only agent name field, right? So on the situation, what happened?
Yeah, so once you click the OK button, it should navigate to the corresponding flight reservation page.
Right? Okay. Let's see here. So it's not flight reservation. Why? Because we are not enter anything in the password. Okay. It should ask about please enter password. Okay. Let's see here. For OK button, pop-up message should display like please enter. Got it, guys? Okay, you have to write the test cases like this, one by one. Are you clear? Right.
Yes.
Next. Right. Next. So password positive we are done. Right after that, what agent name positive we are done. Right after that, password agent name negative. So let's see here. No. So what happened? So it's 2.2, right? So negative. Negative means what? We are entering invalid data, right? It's a 2 point. Second object, we are going to the second test case. Okay. So how we supposed to enter invalid data in agent name field and click on tab order, click on cancel button, click on help button, okay button. You have to write for tab order what happened, cancel button what happened, help button what happened, okay button what happened, like that. Okay. So earlier, who said, who want to write it? Someone said I will write like that. Who? Anybody is interested? Okay. Anybody? Guys, earlier you want me to, you asking me to write, no? Anybody
Yes,
is
I can.
interested?
I'm
Please.
interested, but I just joined, so I'm trying to get what you guys are doing
Okay.
because I just joined.
Okay.
Yeah.
Muhammad Shahjad is want to do. Shahjad is will try. Okay. So you can follow. Try to follow. Okay. So tomorrow join with, yeah. So tomorrow I will give controls. Don't worry.
Okay. All right.
Go ahead. Okay. You can control my screen, right? Guys, everybody please involve.
Tap order will be the same as we have as for the agent name, right?
Tab order will be same. See, I told you already. Tab, cancel, head. These three should be same. You can write the same thing. Okay, only going to change. Same लिखूंगा ना.
So you can do like a copy and paste, right?
Of course.
Yeah, she said the OK is different. It's only the OK will be different.
Okay, but an information is invalid now. No, it says like pop-up message should display like please enter valid data. Why? Because you enter invalid data in agent name. No. Sensor please enter valid data.
Yeah, valid. Yeah. Okay.
Pop-up message should display please enter.
Enter the valid password.
Valid agent name.
Please enter valid data.
I think valid password. Because if you go back to the second one before you did this one, it said for OK
Asking
button,
no,
pop-up
no.
message should display like please enter password.
See, here it is asking like
Huh?
pop-up message should display like please enter valid data. Why? Because it still needs to ask agent name information. We are enter invalid data in agent name field. So it is asking about please enter
The valid
valid
data?
valid agent name or valid data, right? Like that.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Is it okay?
Right. Okay, please enter valid data. So right, copy and paste it. You have to write clearly, right? Pop-up message is displaying please enter valid data like that. Okay, so next 2.3 agent name blank, right? So blank means what we are doing, guys?
What did you say?
Leave agent name field as blank and click on tab order. Okay, cancel help like that. Shajaz, please go ahead.
Well, when we will not enter anything, then the cursor will not move to the next window. Hello?
Same thing like tab cancel help should be same, right, guys? Guys, involve it, please.
Sorry?
Discuss with them.
No, I'm saying that if we will leave the tab blank, then the cursor will not move to the next window.
Yes, it will.
Okay.
Even if it is blank, what is the functionality of what they are asking? You have to observe what they are asking. Whatever the data you
Okay.
enter, once you get the tab, you
Okay.
should
So
move.
it means
You
that the
have to
first
observe
three.
whether it is
So it
coming
means
or
that the
not while
three.
see, one second,
Okay.
whether it is coming or not while execution time, you have to check. Okay.
Okay.
So, but what
So
they are
it means
expecting, you
that
have
the
to check.
first three actions will be the same.
Of course, I told you already, right?
Sorry, 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 I'm confused here.
It's not working at my side. I don't know. It's very
But I don't know
slow.
why are you keep. That's why I want to understand the concept. Like, what's the difference? Plus VE or negative VE and blank? They all are same, pretty much, right? So what we are doing here?
That's why I keep quiet, because we really need to know what we are doing, right?
I mean, I did have some idea, but now I'm lost because what's this three different?
Yeah,
Um,
I do. That's why I was trying to check to make sure that like I'm following it now, but this blink
Actually,
is not blank. I think it's blink.
when we will enter OK, then
This is
the
blink. It's not blank. It's blink.
I mean
So when it blink, trying to.
See, I know it's lagging is not your fault. I'm not concerned about the lagging thing that you are trying to type. I want to understand like where you getting this concept and putting into the result field because we don't have a functional document, and plus I don't understand
Yeah,
what
that
that means.
shows. Yeah, that shows where
actually
to get.
what the last window I'm just trying to remember that what are the words. That's why I'm just copying.
Do you
Did you
know what
get?
that mean? Blank and negative VE and plus VE. What that stand for? What we are doing here? If you look at the functional test phase.
So listen. So plus VE means positive, and then minus VE means negative. Abbreviation of it.
But where are you getting this from the result from? Where are you copying? What are you comparing from functional
Okay, so
document and then
if
you
you
coming over here?
okay, so if you look at her on her note on this, she had a notes on it where it says these two abbreviation VE minus VE plus.
Okay.
So Shuja, did you see her notes on the
Well,
bottom of the screen?
I'm not getting through the remote. I mean, I'm not able to write over.
Oh, so you don't have access now.
I
Access,
mean, I
okay.
have the access, but I'm not in a. I'm it's sort of a lagging. I don't know. I have a
Yeah, we have
control, but
same
it's
issue.
not
Yesterday
typing
we
from
have
my
same
side.
issue. Yeah, yesterday we have same issue.
Yeah, maybe the speed issue. I don't know.
Hmm.
I think
She's.
it
I
is
think.
stuck.
I think the OK might be OK button pop-up message will, I think it's gonna be something like to save the setting. Like it will save the setting. I don't know. Or it will save the changes and close the window. So this is about the OK. Did you see the notes?
Hey, if you go back there, you see the notes. That was the note. If you cursor down, you will get the answer.
I don't have access to this. So who have access to this?
I'm clicking, but it is not opening.
Yeah,
It is
okay.
stuck.
Yeah. But you almost get there before.
Yeah, it was there. I saw it.
Yeah, it was there, but now it is not. I'm trying to grab it, but it is not working.
I think it's an
That's the
internet
first
speed
question I
issue.
asked. Do we have this
There you go,
document?
right there. You see agent
Hey, here,
login.
here, here. That's it.
That's it. So you can you scroll it down a little bit? Did you see plus VE or minus V? Yeah, here's a note. If you go down, you might see.
Go down a little bit.
By entering valid data and testing is done
The entry
positive.
data testing is
By
done.
entering invalid
That
data,
entering data testing. Can you go down a little bit? Mouse pointer application. Yeah. Once we open the application by default, since you should blink on the agent name field.
You just copy and paste the last word.
no, it's not doing. It's now stuck from my side.
Where is she though?
This sheet is very important. It tells you what, when you make the TC case, what you write, what you look for. That's what I'm understanding.
See,
Now what to do?
see, I'm here. Blank we done, right? What happened with the OK button? Why you did not?
Actually, I was doing all of these things, but I got lost because I'm not getting control over there. Maybe this is a lagging or sort of, I mean, delaying, or it was stuck.
Actually, you're having controls. Let me stop it and give it one more time. Okay, let me write it then. Okay. See, what happened, guys? You can tell me what happened here when you're trying to enter invalid data in agent name field. For OK button, what happened? It says, tell me, you are leaving agent name field as blank, right? When you're leaving
Please
agent name field
enter
as
the
blank,
valid data.
are we enter invalid data? If we enter invalid data, then it is asking validate, right?
Like we only need, please enter the agent name.
Mm-hmm.
Or maybe agent name missing.
Okay, next one. So it says like please enter agent name. Why? Because agent name we are not entering anything. That is the reason. Okay. Why? Because see, please enter agent name. Right. So positive, negative, blank we are done. Right. After the agent name, what is the next object, guys? After the agent name, what is the next object? Password, right or not? Okay. Next again, password positive, negative, blank. We need to do that. Okay. Password negative, blank. Okay. So how we are working with password everything tomorrow's class once again I'll let you know. Okay guys, these are very important. The whole entire manual writing the test case is very important. That's what I'm taking this much of time to explain you. Okay. So next same thing we have to go with password negative, positive, negative, blank like that. Okay. Password positive, negative, blank like that. So how you can able to work with tomorrow's class we will discuss after that OK button also. Okay. This is what about guys. Is that clear? So thank you so much. We'll meet back on tomorrow at same time. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.